In late October 2024, specifically announced on October 29th via the official Google blog, Google has introduced a groundbreaking feature allowing personal Gmail users to change their @gmail.com email address without creating a new account or losing any data, contacts, emails, or access to services like Google Drive, Photos, Calendar, and YouTube. This long-awaited update fulfills a major user request, especially for those dissatisfied with their original email choice, such as outdated or embarrassing addresses, enabling a seamless upgrade to a more professional one that better suits their needs. Previously, changing a Gmail address required creating a new Google account, manually forwarding emails via POP or IMAP, exporting and importing up to thousands of contacts, transferring potentially gigabytes of files from Drive, and re-verifying numerous apps and services, a tedious process that could take days or even weeks, with a significant risk of data loss. Now, it's incredibly simple. Users just navigate to Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon. Select See All Settings, go to the Accounts and Import tab, choose the Change Gmail Address option, select a new available @gmail.com address, confirm it, and the update happens instantly. The old address automatically becomes a private alias, meaning emails sent to either the old or new address will land in the same inbox, and senders will only see the new address unless you specify otherwise during replies. This change is fully account-wide, ensuring 100% preservation of all your emails, including labels and filters, Drive files with no migration needed, entire Photos libraries, YouTube subscriptions, Play Store apps, and even your recovery email and phone number remain exactly the same. To prevent abuse such as spam farms or scams, Google has implemented strict safeguards, limiting changes to a maximum of free per account lifetime, with a mandatory 12-month waiting period required between each change. However, this feature is not available for Google Workspace or business accounts less than 1 year old, or if the current username is premium or reserved by Google. Any new address must strictly meet Gmail's rules, typically consisting of 6 to 30 characters using only letters, numbers, and dots, ensuring it fits the standard format. The feature rollout began on October 29, 2024, and is being gradually introduced to personal accounts worldwide over the coming weeks and months. So as of November 2024, only about 10 to 20% of users may see it immediately, with mobile app support coming soon. To check if it's available for you, use Desktop Gmail. Click the gear icon for Settings, select See All Settings, and look under the Accounts and Import tab for the Change Gmail Address option. This update is particularly ideal for professionals aged 25 to 45 seeking a more refined and professional email address, such as firstname.lastname@gmail.com, to enhance their digital presence. Google's robust safeguards, including the 3-change maximum and 12-month waiting period, effectively ensure the overall stability of their ecosystem while preventing any potential misuse. Overall, this new feature provides a seamless, secure, and effortless way to update your digital identity without any risk of data loss, making it a game changer for Gmail users everywhere.